Right, hello everyone. It's the 7th of January 2021, and we're going to take a look at today's trade of the day. You can't help but be impressed with the run on the euro against the US dollar. The dollar's had some massive moves over the last few months, and the euro, our accelerator strategies, have been the beneficiaries absolutely. And there's nothing much clearer than this euro dollar chart. So we've got the D1 Accelerator strategy here, and we're looking at these grey discs with the green outline around them. They're what we call identifying our snipers for our D1 Accelerator strategy there. These are buying opportunities with the green outline. A red outline would represent a sell opportunity. And of course, we haven't had those as that market continues to grind higher. We had a buy on the 13th of November, a buy on the 24th of November, the 10th of December, and then the most recent one, the 28th of December here. All of them moving on really nicely to new highs. The most recent one here having a good rally of about 100, 130 points or so after that original buy trade there. And what we're looking for with this strategy is a move of 30 to 50 points or so over 1 to 3 days. We're not looking at staying in these trades for a long time, and consequently, we're not looking for those big 200-300 point moves. We're looking at getting in and getting out and moving on to that next period of volatility for another instrument. For example, here we can see the buy. Let me zoom into this a little bit from the 28th there of December. 1, 2 days, and then a period of sideways movement for the next couple of days there. This is very typical. This is why we tend to be in for a quick move that rallied about 70 points in 2 days. Then the market moves sideways, by which time we're out. We've taken our profits, and we're then looking for the next trading opportunity. That's what the accelerator strategy is all about. It's about scalping those daily charts, 20, 30 minutes a day, looking for those fast trading opportunities and being out within a couple of days. So there we are. You can see, let's say 40 points per trade. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades there. Approximately 160 points at least over those 4 trading opportunities, and a very nice run indeed.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.